Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload shorts, right? So here you can see that I'm in the YouTube in my laptop. So basically, if you want to upload shorts, and it should be, there is a two criteria to upload short. It should be basically 60-second long video, right? So the video length should be below 60 seconds and it should be in 9:16 ratio. Okay, so here after that, whatever, just passing these two criteria, you have to click on this plus icon, which is create. So just click on here, and after that you will get the option to upload a video. Click on upload a video, and here you will get redirected to YouTube Creator Studio, right? And here you have to select a file, which video you want to select. So for example, this is a 1-minute nature video and it is 60-second long, right? So I will just click on there, and here you can see that I will upload the video. And here you will here you have to just enter the title. For example, I will just write here this title, okay? And after that, if you want, you can just write the description here. And for the thumbnail, right now you can see, for now you can't change the thumbnail on your short, right? So, and after that, if you want to just keep this in a playlist, you can just skip it. And after that, you have to select no here. And if this video for the kids, you can just upload here, you can just select this, yes, it's made for kids, but basically this is not. Then click on show more, and here you can add the tags. It is very important for the ranking of the video. And here the language, captions and everything, just to according to you. Here if it is your tech video or any entertainment or comedy or film or gaming, whatever, you can just select according to your preferences, right? And after that, just go to the video element, and here you can add a card in between. And here check it is automatic. So basically you have to check that whether this video is a copyright or not. And in the visibility, you will get three options: private, unlisted and public. If you want to upload it right away, you can just click on public and you can click on publish. Or if you just want to keep it as a private for now, you can just select private, or you can even schedule your video, right? So this is how you can upload your video, guys, and this is pretty easy. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.